Customer satisfaction is not only the prior task that a product support manager would be fulfilling, but he or she, whoever is stepping into this role or already in this role, should consider some of the skills and other job roles in order to elevate your career and eventually grow. So with that note, we will be also looking how this particular person is being paid in major cities in India. And I welcome you all back with another video where today we will be discussing about product support manager and how are they being paid. We would be starting off with the definition part so that you can have a brief idea about it. A product support manager who would be in charge of overseeing the quality of a particular product, as well as he would be ensuring that the customer satisfaction on a top-notch level. The basic credentials that the job role needs. So if you want to confidently elevate your career in this, you should always know how they are being paid, so you can confidently pitch your skills accordingly. On an average basis in India, they are paid 15 lakhs per annum. So the source we have taken from is from Payscale, so the source of data and everything that we have collected on an average basis itself. And this is how the career graph going to be. No fluctuations here from 5 to 9 years or from to 10 years in between. So being a product support manager is eventually a high level position. So with mere experience, yes, you can eventually rise. But if you have only just 5 years of experience, this is how the growth is going to look like. Eventually for 20 years, you are going to be landing off on a decent settlement. Now, if you are looking forward to know about various other places and how the places are being paying these product support managers, you should understand that on an average basis in Bangalore, it is 15 lakhs, again reaching out to the average pace if you're having the right set of skills, and also the experience is mere required in this role. Hyderabad, 18 lakhs per annum, again crossing out the average pay itself. Pune, 14 lakhs per annum. As I've said, this role carries a lot of experience. Chennai, 14 lakhs per annum again. So as you have seen, the major places itself is giving you a high-end level or high-rise job payment. So consider yourself having a mere experience before stepping into this role. So if you're already in this, elevate it by implementing the skills. Customer service, you should know technical support, you should know how you have to manage your all the various other arenas, the project management, daily operations, how you are dealing with your project, and also developing your product, problem resolution, product line, and training materials. So what does this person actually do and how you can implement your skills? This person would be in charge of managing all the product support efforts on the behalf of the organization, where in order to do this, you need to be organizing, supporting tasks, delegating activities in that particular or the relevant department where he or she is being placed. So if you want to become one, consider yourself starting off on a junior level basis, product support or for product support role. Then you can further elevate your career as a product support manager itself. Must have experience, that is the first prior thing. Adequate knowledge of sales and the promotion techniques. So if you have already relevant certifications and already if you are placed enough, then experience is considered to be equivalent to this. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills, and as well as basic computer skills, which is going to be very essential for this job role. Along with that, consider yourself networking with various other job roles which are aligned to this, assisting in developing pricing strategies, and also how you have to frame up your guidelines for the new product or the emerging product, analyze the industry trends in the market and how this open source market is being evolved with various other technologies, products and other implications, so that you would be well aware as to what your product needs and what are the other solutions that you can further bring up. Then, demands to recommend the product enhancements, work with other sales team in product for the promotional activities. So here, the basic credential is understand the market, plus know about various other trends, plus you have to know about your product, how you are marketing your product and how you are putting out into the market, and that you should eventually balance up with various other key roles or the key backups that you are further placing up with. So that is how you are going to be proceeding or elevating your career life. If you have further opinions on this, consider placing them in the comment section, as well as please help your friends by sharing out this video and sorting out their careers. As well as if you are looking forward for more career roles, consider subscribing and keep tuning in. Thank you for watching.